Okay, so I've arrived at the location that I think is going to be the exact location. I'm still trying to get there for the mushroom ceremony. It is in the mountains near Valdemosa. It is really beautiful. It's about 6:15 in the afternoon, and I am excited. Bit nervous, and I'm the first one here. I'm not fashionably late. I'm super fashionably early. So I'm just gonna explore. I think it's down here. Follow me. Okay, so I've just walked all the way down there, and there's like a door with a chain on it, so it's definitely not down there. I'm walking back up to where I came from, and I'm looking for another pathway now. So I'm trying another route now. We will see. Okay, so it's not there either because there's a gate. So it wasn't down that area either, so I'm actually just gonna sit on this rock and be present and just wait for other people to arrive, and that's it. Do a bit of a meditation, bit of breath work. I'll be right back.